How's it going? My name's Tucker from Contemporary Automotive. This right next to me is our 2021 Jeep Wrangler Freedom Edition. We just got it in. It is in a beautiful color, really cool edition. So I'm gonna make a quick video, go over all the features, everything like that. So let's hop right into it. Okay, starting out front, you're gonna have some LED headlights as well as fog lights down here in the bumper. This is gonna help make sure you can see in any driving conditions. Steel bumper, gonna help so that if you are off-roading, you can pull your friend out, or you can get pulled out if need be. You have this American flag behind the grille. This is the Freedom Edition, so you have the emblem on the hood right there, as well as this stingray clear coat. Okay, starting along the side now, you're gonna have some really well-equipped tires, pretty much make it so you can conquer any driving conditions, whether you're taking on the snow, rain, taking it off-roading, anything like that. Especially with those 17-inch wheels. For one, it looks really nice, but it's also going to perform amazing. This is going to have the black fenders as well as the three-piece hardtop. The black three-piece hardtop takes a matter of minutes, and you can have the top off in no time. You have some of the decals right here, American flag. On the other side, you're going to have that same star logo on the hood right here, because again, it is the Freedom Edition, and I think it ties together so well with the stingray clear coat. This is going to be a two-door, so you get a little bit lighter, a little bit of a peppier ride than the four-door, as well as a better turning radius, which is going to be better for off-roading and everything like that. Coming to the back now to finish off our exterior walkthrough before we get into the interior. One thing I missed along the side though that I want to mention real quick is the rock guards along the bottom. That is going to help so if you're off-roading and you don't have to worry about hitting a rock or anything like that, or having the rock kind of hit the undercarriage and damaging anything, because what it does is it kind of creates a first layer of protection so that it doesn't hit your undercarriage. But coming to the back now, pop this open, and you can just see what you're gonna be dealing with back here. You do have some space to throw any type of, groceries, bags. You also can lift this up, have some more storage down there. This bag right here is going to be for the hardtop, the two pieces at the very front. So that you take it off, you have somewhere to put it and store it away so they don't get scratched. But talking back here, if you do want more space, you can actually fold this down and up, and you get the maximum storage capacity. Kind of helps so that if you don't need that back seat, but you need more storage, just a quick and easy, takes 2 seconds, fold it up, and now you have more storage. Coming into the interior now, finishing off our walkthrough up here in the front seat, you're gonna get some cloth and leather seating with the Oscar mic stitched up front into the front seat. Let you know that it is a special edition Jeep Wrangler. You're also gonna get a really nice leather steering wheel with really nice stitching on it as well. It's gonna have 42,500 miles, so you're just getting started. You have a ton of life left in it, whether you're hitting the roads or trails. This thing's gonna take you for a lot more miles, a lot more years. But you have that really nice Uconnect system that is gonna have Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. Just plug it in and that will work nice for you. You're also gonna have radio and some of the capabilities as well. You're also gonna have a bunch of the settings in there, so you can kind of customize it how you like, maybe the audio, driving style, everything like that, just how everything displays. But yeah, coming down below that, you have all your climate control buttons, everything like that. And down here you have the shifter, but you have a ton of storage in this center console with the drink holders as well. And if you have any more questions that I have not already answered, or you think that this Freedom might be the one for you, please feel free to reach out at any time. Come on in, take it for a test drive. We're located over in Milford, New Hampshire, right off at 101.